YouTubers, welcome to my channel Irzum Tech, and today we're gonna learn about how you can easily create or make your face logo design using a simple software called Picsart. It's right up here, you can see that, and I will also put the link in the description below so you can easily go and download it from the Play Store on your phone. After opening it, just go to the plus button right here in the center and then drawings, create new. Here what you're gonna need is to open this and select photo, select your picture from here and then OK. After that just make it a little bit bigger and then OK, edit image, and then we're gonna add some effects here and then select the colors, and from the colors we're going to select this black and white and then click on it again and select it where you find it amazing. I think this one is good, or a little bit more lighter. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so just take it and then go here in the draw and then all you need to do is to select a color like white and remove the unwanted things and make it a little like this. Okay, looks good. Okay, that's perfectly fine. And after doing that, go here and select this. Don't use the fill one, just select stroke and then make a circle, and you can change the color to black. Okay, so right here and then OK, and then you need to go to the text. You can find it right here and then like Irzum tag, I already write it, and you can select the color. Don't use the black one, just keep it right. And after that shadow, color, opacity, you can play around here, whatever you write. I just need to add some strokes using a black color and make it a little bit like bold. Okay, and after that we need to select the font a little bit, like looks cool. Okay, so when you are done adding text, add a photo. I already have an image, so this one. You can find this image over internet by writing Samsung wallpaper, Samsung S5 wallpaper and something like that. So all we're gonna do is blend and then screen, and you can play with it like as much as you want. You can sharpen it, color it. Okay, just like this, or you can make it like that. Okay, you're done. After that, just go okay. The size I used is usually on the YouTube image is like 250 into 250, and you can add many different things. Thank you for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.